Equipped for work. Everything for your workplace. Identity leather visitor chair. Assembly guide. Included in the box are seat pad, backrest, pair of arms, 3-piece cantilever base, 4 50mm bolts, 4 bolt caps, 1 large Allen key, 1 small Allen key, 2 16mm bolts, 4 30mm bolts, 4 22mm bolts. Some of the bolts are pre-inserted into their respective holes to prevent them from getting lost during transit. Use the Allen keys provided to remove these. You'll need a screwdriver to remove the 2 16mm bolts. To start, assemble the 3-piece cantilever base as shown and secure with 2 16mm bolts and tighten with a screwdriver. Next, place the seat pad on top of the backrest like this and attach the arms using the 50mm bolts. It's important that you do not fully tighten these bolts at this point. With the arms fitted to the seat pad, swing the backrest into position and put in the 4 30mm bolts. Once the bolts are inserted, tighten up all loose bolts. Now, place the cantilever base on the seat pad as shown, lining up the holes in the base with the holes in the underside of the seat pad and secure with the 4 22mm bolts. Once they're all inserted, you can tighten them up. We recommend you use the Allen key provided and not an electric screwdriver, as this can strip the threads. Lastly, insert the 4 bolt caps into the holes in the armrests. Please keep the Allen keys to check the bolts every 6 months to ensure they're tight, and tighten any if they've come loose. And there you have it. Your new Identity leather visitor chair is ready to use. From Equipped for Work. Everything for your workplace.